Want to master ChatGPT from scratch? In this complete guide, I'll show you everything you need, from writing and coding to image generation and productivity tips. ChatGPT is an AI assistant that understands your questions and gives human-like answers in seconds. It can save hours of work every single day.
Students can use ChatGPT to understand difficult topics, solve problems, summarize notes, and prepare for exams much faster.
Professionals use ChatGPT to write emails, reports, presentations, meeting notes, and business documents with impressive speed. Developers use ChatGPT to write code, fix bugs, explain programming concepts, and even build complete applications. Content creators generate YouTube scripts, blog posts, captions, titles, descriptions, and SEO ideas within minutes. The secret to better answers is writing better prompts. The more details you provide, the smarter and more accurate the response becomes.
Instead of saying write an article, ask for the topic, audience, tone, word count, and format. Small changes create dramatically better results.
ChatGPT can also generate images from simple text prompts, helping a diverse group of designers, marketers, and creators bring ideas to life instantly. ChatGPT can also generate images from simple text prompts, helping a diverse group of designers, marketers, and creators bring ideas to life instantly.
It can edit existing images too, remove objects, change backgrounds, improve quality, or create entirely new designs.
It can edit existing images too, remove objects, change backgrounds, improve quality, or create entirely new designs.
You can upload PDFs, Word files, Excel sheets, and presentations. ChatGPT can summarize, analyze, explain, or improve them. It also helps with Excel formulas, data analysis, charts, and automation, making office work much easier.
Translations. ChatGPT supports many languages and can translate while keeping the original meaning and natural tone.
You can create professional resumes, cover letters, LinkedIn profiles, and job applications tailored to specific positions. Businesses use ChatGPT for customer support, marketing strategies, product descriptions, and brainstorming new ideas.
YouTubers use ChatGPT to generate video ideas, scripts, titles, thumbnails, SEO keywords, and audience engagement strategies.
It can explain complex topics in simple language, compare products, summarize research, and organize information clearly.
Voice conversations make interacting even easier. Just speak naturally, and ChatGPT responds almost like talking to a real assistant.
Memory allows ChatGPT to remember helpful preferences across conversations, making future responses more personalized.
Always verify important information. AI can make mistakes, so double-check facts related to health, law, finance, or critical decisions.
Use clear instructions, provide context, ask follow-up questions, and request revisions. Great prompting leads to outstanding results. Whether you're a student, freelancer, programmer, teacher, entrepreneur, or creator, ChatGPT can significantly boost your productivity. Tasks that once took hours can now be completed in minutes with the right prompts and workflow. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.